How to buy Bitcoin on Bitcoin.com app. If you'd like to buy Bitcoin on the Bitcoin.com app, it's actually very simple to do so. First of all, you have to go ahead and then launch the Bitcoin.com wallet app, and this is the interface that you'll be able to find. So you have to just tap on this buy Bitcoin option that you can find from the home page. When you do that, you'll be taken to this page. Now it will ask you to enter the amount of Bitcoin in USD that you want to buy. If I want to buy $2,500 worth of Bitcoin, I will get around 0.024.27 BTC. So once I've selected my amount, I can select receive to which wallet. So I can select my BTC wallet by default, then I can tap on continue. Now it will ask me to take the pictures. It will connect to MoonPay, which is a network that will help you process your payment. And once your payment is done processing, like your Visa, debit or MasterCard, then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically sign in and then go ahead and then verify with your payment method as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.